Hi, today we introduce the special package of condom. Inside the condom box, there is a small lubricant tube. Some users may wish to use a little extra lube when they use one condom. This new condom package provides a solution for these demands. 3 pieces of condom and 1 small tube of lubricant in one box. The MOQ for this package is 50,000 boxes. If you don't like a small tube of lubricant, we also can produce small 4 pouch of lubricant. We have produced condom more than 25 years and have full experience on different packages of condom. Our capacity is 1 billion pieces of condom in 1 year. 100% of condoms are passed the test. We have CE certification and ISO certification. 20 years before, our condom have exported to European countries. So if you need any kinds of package of condom, we can produce.